Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to take a moment and I want to share with you some benefits of the tattoo journals. I want to go over what we can gain from the tattoo journals. Should you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would appreciate your support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Within this video, I want to touch base on why the tattoo journal. I want to touch base on what it's good for, and I want to touch base on where we can get the tattoo journals from. We can get the tattoo journals and other books that I have to offer by clicking the links in the description below, or heading on over to Amazon and typing in the tattoo journal or Daniel Yuck in the Amazon search bar. Now that I've shown you how to get the tattoo journals, I want to share with you the whys and the whats. What the tattoo journals are good for and why we should get the tattoo journals is because they are great for lining development. Keep in mind, we can practice anytime, any place. All we need is a pencil or a pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with ballpoint cartridges and get to practicing and developing our lining before we ever even start practicing on fake skin. So that's a plus right there. Another good thing about the Tattoo Journals workbook series is that they do come in paperback and hardcover formats. Another thing that the Tattoo Journal workbook series is great for is holding style development. By practicing the various exercises within the Tattoo Journal workbook series, we are able to get a sense of what is better for us as a tattoo artist. We can figure out ways that we like to hold a tattoo machine. The Tattoo Journal workbook series does allow us to get a sense of holding style before we ever even start tattooing on fake skin using tattoo ink and needles. Using the tattoo journals, we can get a sense of what we're comfortable with and what we're not. Another thing that the tattoo journals are great for is posture development. They are loaded with different exercises, and throughout these exercises we're going to find different postures and positions that are uncomfortable and are comfortable for us, and I feel that is a great part of the Tattoo Journal workbook series. The postures and positionings that we find using the tattoo journals will translate over when we tattoo. Another great thing about the tattoo journals is the artistic choice development that it offers. Throughout the workbook series, you're going to notice a series of different exercises that really push the envelopes and challenge us to get from point A to B as best we can. Sometimes we may need to break up a long line into smaller lines to complete one long line. We have an artistic choice to make whether we want to complete this long line with one full single long pass, or we want to break this long line down into a bunch of smaller lines to complete this long line. This is one of the many examples as to why the tattoo journals are great for artistic choice development. Another good thing about the tattoo journals is that they're great for learning how to line sculpt. Line sculpting development is a little bit more on the advanced end and is included within Volume 2. Volume 2 does have certain designs and patterns that have thicker lines, and that we are able to sculpt them because we can line each side of this thicker line, fill it in, and then kind of go from there to develop how we like to go about sculpting lines. Another great thing about the tattoo journals and what they have to offer is shading development. Shading itself is a bit more on the advanced end, so we didn't focus so much on that on Volume 1. In Volume 2, we do start taking entry levels and dabbling a bit more with basic shading. Along with shading development, the tattoo journals are great for shading placement development. And again, as I've mentioned, shading is a bit more on the advanced end, so we do dabble more with that in Volume 2, not so much in Volume 1. Shading placement in Volume 2 consists of different various exercises that allow us to kind of think outside the box and try different shading placements. Let's say we can place shading somewhere on the left top up here, where on the next exercise we can place the shading in the middle. On the next exercise we can place the shading at the bottom. You get the idea. So we can practice different shading placements to figure out what we like and what we don't. Another great thing about the tattoo journals is the dot work development they have to offer. Another great thing that the tattoo journals have to offer is the dot work development. Much like shading, dot work is a little bit more on the advanced end and is not really seen in Volume 1. However, in Volume 2, there are various exercises that will allow us to exercise our dot work. Another great thing that the tattoo journals can be great for, and I feel like this one would have been overlooked if I didn't mention it, is discipline development. The ability that we develop each and every day that we practice to complete the exercises from start to finish and to keep trying even when we don't like them. I feel like these little daily efforts are going to add up over time, and they're going to give us an idea as to what it's going to take to actually have tattooing as a full-time income, to make tattooing into a career. Another great thing that the tattoo journals are great for is cross-hatching development and practice. Now, I should have probably put this one around dot work or shading, but the idea still got across. These are great for cross-hatching practice. There are going to be some exercises that we are going to be doing that require us to maybe cross-hatch a little bit more to kind of smooth and even things out. Another thing that the tattoo journals are great for is to practice and develop adaptability. We have to keep in mind with the tattoo journals, we are practicing, exercising, and developing on paper. So therefore, it's nothing like fake skin and or human skin. We have to keep in mind with the tattoo journal workbook series, we are exercising, we are practicing, and we're developing on paper. So when we are practicing, we're going to naturally learn how to adapt and to exercise on paper. And this fundamental, this learning right here that we're doing, learning to adapt and not blow the paper out, is going to translate over when we're tattooing fake skin and human skin. The tattoo journal workbook series are great to learn and understand these entry-level fundamentals. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check out these workbooks on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. With that being said, thank you for your time. I appreciate you tuning in. You have a great day.